WhatsApp is the most popular messaging app in the world. We are using for messaging and photo or video sharing. Also, we are sharing document via WhatsApp. But sometimes we lost this data because we are not backed up this WhatsApp data on cloud or drive. So today in this video I am going to show you how to backup and restore your WhatsApp messaging data. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp, then click on three dot menu on top right corner, then click on settings, and here is second option is chat. Click on chat and swipe up. Then here is chat backup. First of all, we need to add Google account. Here is Google account non-selected. Then click on the Google account and select your desired Gmail or Google account. I'm selecting this one, and it's open another window for permissions. Then click on allow, and here is Google account added, and then I'm turn it on this backup to Google Drive, and you can select only when you tap on backup, or you can select daily or weekly, monthly. When you select these settings, then automatically backup your messaging data. So I'm selecting daily to this Gmail, so it automatically backup. And now I manually for the first time backup directly, clicking on backup, and it take few time. So backup complete. As you can see, local time showing here, and Google Drive time also, and how much data backups it's also showing. Size 66 megabyte. One thing remember, it only work on when you connected on Wi-Fi, but you can backup your data via cellular or mobile data. Just you have to turn on these options, but you will charge for your data. But I'm not going to backup using cellular data, so I'm turning it off. And you can backup including videos, so I'm turn off this because I don't need to. Setup is done. So after that, when you chat, then it automatically backup on your Google Drive. So let's show you how to restore your messaging data on your another or new phone. So let's show you how to restore your backup data from Google Drive to your new WhatsApp. So let's start. And as you can see, I'm reinstalling WhatsApp on my phone, and just continue and allow them, and it's automatically looking up for backup. As you can see, restore backup, it detect automatically backup found on this Gmail account. So I just simply click on restore, and it's restoring data from Google Drive. So you have to wait few moment, and it's already done. So click on next and type your name. It's working, so it take few moment. Yeah, it's restoring this data. And as you can see, restoring data almost done, and finish it restoring media. So as you can see, my alt previous chat is available here. So yeah, it is pretty simple to way to backup and restore. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.